welcome to my channel. Today in this video we will learn how to create IP and port-based website on CentOS or CentOS. So let's get started. First of all, we have to go to our CentOS. I have installed CentOS 7 with 3 to 4 steps. If you want to know how to install this with very few steps, you can watch the video. The link is available in the description. So first we have to go to applications. There we have to go to system tools and terminal. And now we have to check either we have installed the Apache server or not, because Apache server is mandatory for the website on any platform. In CentOS, the Apache server is named as HTTPD. So let me show you how we can check either the HTTPD is installed or not. RPM QHTTPD. As you can see, sorry, I didn't enter the space. Now I will write it correctly. RPM dash Q HTTPD. Here you can say package HTTPD as not installed. So first we will install the HTTPD package. So how we can install the HTTPD package? Simple, we will run the command yum install HTTPD and now enter. As you can see, it says that we have to, as you can see, it need to be root to perform this command. So simple, I will switch my user to root. Switch user to root password. It is asking for password. If you don't know how to change password in of root or your CentOS 7, the link is available in the description. You can watch and then you can easily change your password. I will change the directory. Here you can see. Now we will install HTTP. In a few seconds, the HTTP service will be installed. HTTP service is basically a Apache service that is used for website. Make sure that your internet must be connected. Let us say yes. It is okay. Now you can see it is installed. Now we will check either the package is installed or not. So we will again run the command rpm dash q and then httpd. You can see httpd 2.4.6 dash 97. EL17 EL7 is installed in CentOS. So simple. Now we will start the Apache on CentOS. How we can start the Apache on CentOS? Simple, we will write systemctl start httpd. There are another way to start this same command. So I will show you also. First, make sure the systemctl start httpd command is the latest version command to start or stop anything. We can also use command service httpd start. Actually, service httpd start command. This type of command was present in CentOS 7 and CentOS 6. After the CentOS 7, in latest version, the CentOS is performing the command systemctl. So I usually recommend to use the latest command because it is more efficient than previous command. You can also use it. Let me show you. If I enter this, yeah, the command is good. It is also redirecting me to systemctl start httpd dot service. So it makes sense that we have to use our latest command. Here we have to check our status either. We will check the status of the package either it is running state or not. status HTTPD. Here you can see HTTPD service, Apache service active running. It means that our Apache service is running. Make sure your Apache service is running. If it is not running, your website will not be clear. So after that, we will simple check our file by indexing file on CentOS like wget 127.0.0. You can see it says that it is forbidden. So we have no index.html file. We can verify this by using wget command and wget http and now 127.0.0.1 and then array and no index dot html. Now we will create the port-based website on CentOS. First we make a configuration file for website. So for that I will use vi command vi slash etc slash httpd and conf dot d and then site 1.1. Here you can change your name. You can either write it tech with it is your own choice. You can write anything here .com. Here we are creating our configuration file in etc and then httpd and then conf.g. Here is conf.g and here is httpd. Now I will enter a command prompt is available now. I will go to insert mode. For insert mode I will enter I. Here I am in insert mode. Now I will simply write virtualhost static colon 2000. Here we can write the port number. Here you can write 2000 or you can also write 2022 or anything. I am writing 2022. Actually this is the port number, so we can assign port number of our own choice. So after that we will write server admin. Here you can use your Gmail or anything. I am using my Gmail like admin as you can see here you can write anything. So I am going to write gmail.com and now we have to give the path in document where we create the configuration file. Now we have to give the path where we will create the website. So I will try document root now var then www and then html and then site 1. Now I will close the virtual host by starting with slash virtual host and now close. As you can see, I have to write only 4 lines: virtual host, then statics, and then port number. After that, I added server admin. In server admin, you can add your Gmail or anything. And then I added the document root path where my website will be present, and it will extract that website to show us. After these 4 lines, I will click on I will hit the escape button and then write colon and W. W means write and Q means quit. I have written and now I will write and quit and then enter. The changes are saved. If you want to know what is written in your file, you can see by cat command. So simple, you can use this. You may ask how I just write the same path in just in a one click. So you don't have to do anything simple. Hit the up arrow button from your keyboard. Here you can see and now enter. Here you can see what I have written in my getVictim.conf file, virtual host, static and something all detail is here with cat command. So after that I have to enable the port 2022 which I added the in configuration path. So how we can enable that port? So simple, we will go to http.conf file. Where is http.conf file is present? Let me show you. It is in and http.conf, then http.conf. Here you can see http.conf file is open. Now I will enter an exert mode. There will be this import area. Here you can see there is a listen port is free. By default, listen port 80 is signed for Apache server. So I will also write listen 2022. Make sure the same port will be listened here that you defined in your configuration file. After adding listen 2022, I will just hit the escape button. Now voila, and the queue for item tweet enter. It means that I have enabled my port base. It means that I have enabled my port 2022. Now I will make the website. For make website, first I have to create directory in my HTML folder. Let me show you how you can do it. MKDIR. It means that make a directory where I want to make directory. After that I will do path like make directory, and now I am assigning a path to www.html, and here you can write the name of your directory. I will name it tech with it. Now you have to create a file and edit that file with some text. Now you have to create HTML file in the folder that now you have to create the HTML file in the folder that you just created, and then edit that HTML file with your website content. So I will use vi command for creating the file and then edit vi command vi, and then simple write to our www HTML that victim. There you can see. Let me show you when I used the cat command. Yeah, here you can see I used the cat command, and in cat command and document root I wrote that I will create the you can see in my cat command I wrote that in document root what www.html site1. It means that I will create the directory named as site1, not with that with. So we have to again create make directory for www.html and site1. Now site1 directory is created, and now we have to create our HTML file in site1 with vi command vi var HTML site1. Here we have to name our HTML file name. Make sure the HTML file name must be index.html, because when a browser crawls the website, it first go to index or home page. So first it will go to index and then it will crawl on the inside pages. So we will name it as index.html and enter the, and now we have opened up command prompt, and I will go to exert mode by I. Now I will simple write center. Then you can use your HTML commands like you want to show on your website. Like I will use center and then h1. Welcome to website. Welcome to website. to print. I will close the H1 tag and now I will close the sample tag. Simple I will reload this and now I will close it by a W. That is written. Now we have to reload our HTTPD service. How we can reload it? Simple write systemctl as I told you. It is the latest command to perform action. Systemctl reload HTTPD. Here you can see reloaded successfully. And now we will get either our website is created or not. So simple we will write wget 127.0.0.1 and then 2022. You can see it is that connection refused. I will tell you the solution of this problem in our next video. Till then, take care and enjoy the life. Thank you.